Hello, I'm Stan Joseph from Bruder Healthcare, and today I want to talk to you about the importance of caring for your eyelids and lashes. You wouldn't start your day without taking care of your teeth, but have you ever thought of taking care of your eyes? Daily eyelid and lash care is just as important. Now, top eye care professionals agree cleaning your eyes daily is a habit that leads to fewer eye infections and overall healthier eyes. Now, just like an annual visit to your eye care professional, daily lid hygiene is recommended for everyone, especially if you're female, wear contact lenses, frequently use handheld digital devices, or are considering cataract, LASIK, or other eye surgery. Now, the good news is that a daily routine that includes wiping away debris from your lids and lashes, spraying to remove bacteria, and warming to open clogged glands in the eye can improve or prevent problems, and it'll keep your eyes healthy. Now, to make lid hygiene easier, Bruder offers a complete hygienic eyelid care kit. It's the perfect all-in-one package. So let's talk about each item in the kit and how they work. Now, the first step in the routine is to clean your eyes using the Bruder Eyelid Cleansing Wipes. Wipe the surfaces of the eyelids and through the roots of the lashes to remove loose surface cells and prevent buildup on the lash line. That can cause infection and discomfort. The wipes feature a rinse-free formula that helps dissolve and remove excess oils and debris. Bruder wipes contain no harsh chemicals and leave behind no soapy residue to irritate the eyes. The pre-moistened, individually wrapped hypoallergenic wipes are gentle enough for daily use. Now, after cleaning the eyes with the eyelid cleansing wipes, the eyes will actually be more receptive to the benefits of step 2, the application of the Bruder Hygienic Eyelid Solution. Now, the spray contains 0.02% pure hypochlorous acid. Now, I know what you're thinking, but hypochlorous acid is part of the body's innate immune system. In fact, it's produced naturally to kill bacteria, fight inflammation, and enhance your natural ability to heal. It provides rapid and effective relief from dry and red itchy eyelids associated with conditions like blepharitis, dry eye, and meibomian gland dysfunction, or MGD. Apply 1 to 2 sprays of Bruder Hygienic Eyelid Solution to closed eyes. There is no need to rinse or wipe. Simply spray and let dry, allowing the gentle, hypoallergenic formula to clean and refresh. Now, the final step in a daily eye care cleansing routine is to use the Bruder Moist Heat Eye Compress. Now, this compress, commonly called the Bruder Mask, provides the moist and controlled heat required to effectively liquefy oil in the glands of the eyelids. This is important because blocked glands commonly cause discomfort, dry eyes, and redness. 20 seconds in the microwave delivers 8 to 10 minutes of just the right amount of heat required for an effective and therapeutic treatment. The Bruder Moist Heat Eye Compress can be used morning, noon, or night, whenever is most convenient for your daily routine. Now, additionally, included in the kit are Bruder Hygienic Eyelid Sheets. These microfine sheets allow moisture and heat to pass through without breaking down and helps keep the compress clean so it doesn't have to be washed as often between uses. The sheets provide a convenient and hygienic way to wipe away excess oil and secretions. This is especially helpful if you wear makeup. By incorporating these 3 simple steps, wipe, spray, and warm into your daily eye care routine, you'll be taking charge of your eye health. And the Bruder Eyelid Care Kit makes it easy. For more information about the Bruder Eyelid Care Kit, ask your doctor or visit Bruder.com. And thanks so much for watching.
Bruder, better by design.